Shiba Inus have never experienced this before. Some genuinely bizarre things are happening. Despite the loss of over $2 billion, nobody seemed to be in a panic. Why? Because according to the Shiba Inu team, we are about to embark on a crucial new phase that has the ability to produce millionaires in a matter of days. There's a catch though. You have to move quickly. It could be quite expensive to hesitate or sleep on this chance. However, what precisely is happening? What is the purpose of this stage? Let me clarify, this isn't financial guidance. Prior to making any financial decisions, always conduct your own research. We must first admit something wholly unexpected that has happened with Shiba Inus in order to comprehend the scope of what is happening. Shiba Inu, which is notorious for its erratic price movements and dramatic swings, has seen its volatility drop to almost nothing. That's correct. The asset, whose reputation has been based on big price swings, is now trading in a very small range. The coin appears to have flatlined. Such composure is almost unprecedented for a token like Shiba Inu, which has made huge gains and even losses in a matter of hours. This is the same cryptocurrency that attracted a great number of traders and investors due to its volatile pricing and the excitement of the potential for a sudden spike in value. It's almost unnerving how suddenly there is silence. Part of what makes Shiba Inu so alluring is its exceptional capacity to undergo such sharp price fluctuations despite having a sizable market capitalization. This type of activity is absent from many coins with comparable market caps. It's also perplexing to see it abruptly become silent with almost little price movement. Naturally, the Shiba Inu community is shocked. Concerned members question whether this quiet is just the beginning of a storm. Others are perplexed, unable to comprehend such a strange event. Could this be the start of a new and revolutionary period for Shiba Inus, or is it just a little lull? There is nothing more remarkable about the timing of this discovery. Shiba Inu has been steadily declining in recent weeks, reflecting the pessimistic outlook in the larger cryptocurrency market. This newfound stability, however, indicates that the strong selling pressure that had been pushing Shiba Inu lower is finally beginning to ease. Shiba Inu seems to be holding its own right now. This stability is important because it gives bullish investors the ideal chance to get back into the market. The coin now has some breathing room to maybe stage a reversal as the bearish impetus has subsided. Even a breakout is possible if sentiment toward meme tokens improves, particularly if Shiba Inu can hold on to its present level of support. But this brings up a much more important query. What has caused Shiba Inus to suddenly become so stable? What's going on in the background to create this extraordinary serenity? The larger dynamics of the Bitcoin market hold the key to the solution. It's interesting to note that we're seeing this tendency in all breeds, not just Shiba Inus. For example, there has been a notable change in Bitcoin, the biggest cryptocurrency by market capitalization. The staggering $2 billion decline in open interest in Bitcoin is a significant and not at all coincidental pullback. It is clear from this drop in open interest that traders are closing both long and short positions alike. Why? Anticipating the next U.S. elections holds the key to the solution. The markets are anticipated to see considerable volatility as a result of these elections. In order to prevent being caught off guard by unforeseen market moves relating to the election, traders are adopting a cautious stance and pulling back. This intentional halt makes even more sense for Shiba Inus. Shiba Inu has historically shown a propensity for wildly fluctuating prices in reaction to significant market occurrences. Shiba Inu might very probably see one of its recognizable upswings or downswings if the election results cause notable market moves. However, this goes beyond the elections. The Shiba Inu squad is taking risks that allude to something much more significant. November is going to be dramatic, with the U.S. election and global political shifts creating economic uncertainty, wrote Lucy, a notable member of the Shiba Inu team, in a recent tweet. Although things seem uncertain, I still believe there is a reasonable potential for a bull run. The Shiba Inu community is very interested and hopeful about her forecast. The entire cryptocurrency ecosystem has been making predictions about a potential bull run for months. Hearing this from an insider like Lucy feeds the belief that a market upheaval is imminent, which many people hold. Lucy also described the possible course of this bull run. She stated in her tweet that she anticipates a bull run in altcoins once Bitcoin leads the charge. This pattern is consistent with past patterns. Bitcoin usually gains momentum early during bull markets. Capital frequently shifts into altcoins as excitement grows and Bitcoin hits new highs, resulting in notable price spikes for all of them. This expectation is reflected in Lucy's approach. My approach is to stock up on well-known tokens like Shiba, Bone, and Leash, she said. This strategy emphasizes how crucial it is to concentrate on existing initiatives with vibrant communities. These coins have a track record of robustness, in addition to being supported by strong ecosystems. It's interesting to note that Lucy also cautioned, "I don't care much about the present pricing, the change might happen quickly." Additionally, I am only ready to invest $100 on new meme tokens because I don't trust them very much. Just consider the number of coins that have been introduced and then swiftly faded. Remain astute and prudent. Trust your gut. This guidance emphasizes how crucial it is to use caution, particularly in a setting where new meme tokens are introduced virtually every day. Many of these currencies lack the elements required for long-term success, even though they might provide large gains in the near term. Beyond specific tactics, there are more significant variables at work that make this a very exciting time for Shiba Inu and the cryptocurrency industry as a whole. November has historically been a very positive month, especially during years when there have been US elections and Bitcoin halvings. Historical patterns, market expectations, and calculated actions by major actors combine to provide an ideal environment for possible upward momentum. The current status of Bitcoin mining adds to the mystery. James Butterfield, an analyst at CoinShares, recently reported that the average cost for publicly traded miners to mine one Bitcoin has increased dramatically to over $96,400. This number increases even more when depreciation and other non-cash expenses are taken into account. This indicates that given the present price levels, mining Bitcoin has become less and less profitable. The price of Bitcoin must increase dramatically for miners to stay in business, or else they might be forced to close. Even though this scenario is implausible, it shows how much pressure there is on the market to rise, given the huge institutional interest in Bitcoin. Shiba Inu is extremely vulnerable to changes in Bitcoin, just like many other cryptocurrencies. Shiba Inu is virtually certain to follow suit if Bitcoin sees a big upswing, perhaps increasing its value in a very short amount of time. Lucy's optimistic view, the underlying pressure on Bitcoin miners, and the expectation of election market changes all point to the possibility that something significant is about to happen. This could result in a significant change for Shiba Inus and present chances for investors to make significant profits. However, what are your thoughts? Is a new era for Shiba Inus really upon us? Please share your opinions in the comments section. Make sure you watch one of the videos on your screen if you're interested in learning more. We have now reached the conclusion of this video. Remember to subscribe and activate the notifications bell if you liked it. You could lose money if you miss an important Shiba Inu update, so keep yourself updated. Additionally, please spread the word about this video to as many people as you can. Let's spread the word about this wonderful news.